Hi everyone, Mr. Rubo here. Today we're going to look at piecewise-defined functions. And the first thing, we're just going to do a quick definition here. So it is a function that consists of two or more functions with restricted domains. So what that means is you have something like this example. So we have this piecewise function. You'll notice it's f of x, it's a function, equals, so that notation has not changed. But we get this big old braces here. And then here we have two functions in our piecewise. There could be, thousands if you wanted. But we have two separate functions, and then we have their restricted domains. Okay. Now, when it comes to their restricted domains, that's telling you this is that we're taking that x squared function and we're only taking the part that is from -2 to 1 for the x values. Okay. And then the 2x plus 1, we're taking from x is equal to 1 all the way to infinity. That's what the x is greater than or equal to 0 means. So because of this, each function has its own piece, hence the name piecewise. Okay, so if we're ever asked to do some substitution, so like here in the directions, it wants us to find f of 1. Well, what I would do there is I look, okay, f of 1, first thing I'm not even going to look at the functions. I'm going to look at the restricted domains, and I'm going to figure out where is 1. Oh, that's a little heart. So for 1, if I look at the first one, I want to think, okay, is 1 between -2 and 1? Now you're like, oh, 1, but it says less than 1. So it's not equal to 1. So this would go all the way up to 0.9999, but once you hit 1, it's not in this function. So this, not good. But then when we look at the second restricted domain, this one is x is greater than or equal to 1. So that means our function, or our 1 is in this restricted domain, which then means, okay, it's in the second one, which means I only plug it in, only substitute it in to the second equation, and then I go ahead and do my simplifying. So I'm going to say to replace the x with 1 plus 1. Simplify 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3, and there is my answer. Okay, so again, it's that idea of checking what the x value is inside the function notation, and then checking each of the restricted domains. Okay, and because it's a function, it will only be in 1. If for some reason it's in 2, that means it'll be the same point, but in general, they will not have any overlap because of the fact it's a function. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.